Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're about to prevent WhatsApp from restoring a backup right now. First, when the restore prompt appears, tap skip or don't restore. That stops the import immediately. Next, go to WhatsApp settings, chats, chat backup to confirm a local or cloud backup exists and why it triggered. Make sure you have your Google or Apple ID credentials ready. You'll need them to change the backup destination or revoke access. Once done, you can move to disabling the routine that caused the restore. Now disable the cloud backups that trigger future restores. In WhatsApp, open Chat Backup and switch off automatic backups or set backup frequency to never. That stops scheduled uploads. Then go to your Google account security settings or iCloud storage and revoke WhatsApp or Google Drive access so the app cannot see existing backups. Finally, remove the stored backup file. In Google Drive's backups or iCloud storage, locate and delete the WhatsApp backup. Doing these 3 steps prevents automatic restores on reinstall or device changes. Finish by ensuring the phone won't pull any backups. If a restore still triggers, clear WhatsApp app data or uninstall and reinstall without granting cloud permissions. Sign out of your Google or Apple account briefly to break any active session, and only sign back in after confirming backups are off. If problems persist, delete any device-level backup copies or reset app backup permissions in system settings. That usually stops stubborn restores. If nothing works, the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.